Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Surfers for analyzing the major as well as minor currency pairs, copper, crude, gold, silver, Bitcoin, US 30 using Elliott wave theory. So before we get into this analysis, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully, and this channel was started for only educational purpose, not for financial advice, right? So I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So let's close this disclaimer and we will move on to the XY. So while once check, it's a recording. Yeah, perfect. And this is our watch list. So starts from DXY. So here, as per last week, we what about discussed about this is ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC is a W, X, ABC. So this is the end of that third wave. What I'm looking it for nearly 100. So once it reached the 98 zone, again we may get a little bit consolidation like this. Later onwards, it can bounce for the C wave of the third wave of Y wave, right? So 1, 2. So we are in the third wave. Third way is a little bit a diagonal pattern. What I'm expecting, you can make it this as a 1, 2, 3, 4 also fine, but in Euro USD it is entirely different pattern. It looks like, right here, if we mark it this as a 1 and this as a 2, so previous I was measured like, if it bounced from here, I'm expecting that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it already retraced that much, and I'm not labeling it as a 1, 2, 3, and here it's a 4. I'm not looking for that. If we make it this as a 1, 2, 3 and 4, means it is also not overlapping, but I'm not so satisfied with that, and I'm sticking to my wave count. So this is, I'm looking only for the diagonal pattern, and I already show the example the previous it did in Australian dollar. So I stick it to this. So this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, and we are in the wave 3 in the diagonal pattern. So I'm expecting the third wave can end at 100, but before that we are in that 3 way structures. So the next target is 98. Later onwards, one again it can retest at this one, and again it can bounce. So like this it will happen, like such a things. So it won't go in straight lines, but it may happen also. So we can predict only that trend, right? So but the target may reach, but it will be took more time also. So if I'm expecting from here, it may took more time also here in that. Again it could be a triangle and then it can shoot, or it could be an irregular flat. It can go above the high, and again it can come to the downside, and again it can shoot. But what is our the trend side is bullish. That is the only thing you have to understand. Forget about my wave count and what I'm sharing, that it's only for reference, and I could think like that. A, B, C, W, X, Y, anything we can labeled after the market it did. And I already informed here, right? I don't have any view, and later onwards I proceed my view, and I already presented my view in the last week. So this what we expected, and it is doing here now. It's already bounced. So now it can again one more bounce also happen, and again there will be a consolidation, and again it can bounce. It's keep shooting onto the upside only. But if it is again what I explained here, it can happen like this consolidation also. Later onwards it can bounce, because A, B, C, what we did as a W in the third wave, later onwards the X could be a triangle, or it could be a irregular flat. So if it is a regular flat also, it is a completion of X, and we need a 1 3-way structure. So that 3-way structure could be like this, 1, 2, 3. So it can reach only, what I'm expecting here is a 98 and above. So that is my view here. So W, X, A, B and C to the 100. So that is the end of the third wave. We can measure this wavelength here. 98.6 is 786, and 99.76 is the 100 level. It's the same equivalent length of this. ABC is a W, X, ABC, Y. So that could be the end of the third wave. So now we can move it for Euro USD. Same plan, right? Whether this is the end means we can expect three-way structures to the upper side and again one more downside. So then this will become W, this will become X, and the five-way structure could be A, or it can be a five-way structure from here again one more low. But if we look into the 1 hour chart, it looks like same 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this could be the 1, this could be the 2, and after that consolidation, or it could be a triangle, anything can happen, and later onwards one more fifth wave. So that could be the end of A, and later onwards B and C to the downside, what I expected at 1.09, right, in the 4 hour chart. Yeah, here 1 second, in this zone 1.09. Yeah, so this is what my analysis. But for this we have to place the invalidation level at here, because what we kept this as a second wave, right? It's a ABC as a 1, ABC as a 2, so and ABC as a W. So X cannot overlap this, the intermediate wave of B. So this is the invalidation level, you can note it down, and if it breaks above this, then that will be, I didn't think, and I'm not biased on that, so my bias is only to the downside. That is what I didn't think. If it hit the stop loss, or if it get the invalidation level, I don't have an idea as of now. So as of now I'm looking only for this consolidation and one more downside, but it not to break this 1.17. So let's move on to GBP USD, and I already shared my views in my Telegram channels as well as in FB and one more websites also. Exactly what I expected here, it's a 1.3680. I expected that, and I already informed here also, but it didn't happen 13680. But here it looks like one three-way structure is got completed. Here one three-way structure is got completed. But even though what I'm expecting here, it's 1 1 2, somewhat here is 1 2 3, and this is the 4 1 2 3 4 5. So the fifth wave got extended, so this is an impulsive wave. For this I am looking a little bit complex correction. I expected this kind of price action to reach here, so that is what I have explained. But before that itself it came down and it break the low, so we may expect it could be an irregular flat. So it is exactly, we are bouncing from the 1272, and I'm expecting somewhat that irregular flat may be like a five-way structure, or it could be again one more three-way structure from here. See, expecting this several times I have informed, expecting this, I'm not in buy side. I already placed the order at 1.3680 from the I think this is the third or fourth trade in GU, but I won't trade a routine in my trade list, but somewhat I'm too confident, so I make it this as a placed stop loss. So I'm low, I place a sell order at here, but it didn't trigger and it came down, so I'm expecting this. If it reached here also, I need to look the wave formation here, then only I will place the order, or immediately I can enter. So this could be the wave 1 and wave 2, we are on the wave 2, but we can't say whether this is the 1 2 and this could be the another smaller one and smaller 2, and later onwards 3 4 5 it can come to the downside to make A, as I did here 1 2 3 4 5, and then B and then C to break that 1.14 in my positional view. So let's move on to USD CAD. Little bit fast, we can do this fake. So I didn't done on this morning, so sorry for that. I have a lot of works that you know, and I'm mentoring to the peoples for the beginners, and I'm not for the beginners, the peoples who blame the Elliott waves previous, and then they are making a little bit fine tuning with my mentoring, right? So now the same pattern I'm looking for. So in that 4 hour chart, right? So whether we can make it this as a, I'm not going to make this as a B C and this is the three-way structure. I'm not going to make this as a three-way structure and it is in the bearish, but my invalidation is the same here. So now this could be that A B, so 1 also, and we are on that downtrend. So this may be a WX ABC, and later on what it happened, I already informed that it could be a Y and continuation for the Z wave also, right? The same thing happened here. It already broken this low and again bounced. So this could be the expanded flat in that X wave, and again one more three-way structure can happen. It's possible. But if something, this is the end of the trend and it can go above the means, it's also possible if it is in a W, if we make it this as a W, right? So if this is the A, this is the B, 1 2 3, so this could be the fourth is the triangle. Like that we make here in the one hot shot here. This could be A, B, C, D and E. Somewhat we can I'm not sure about this. If we make it this as a triangle and one more low, I think so, right? Here it's not here. Sorry. One second. Yeah. Here. Right? A, B, no. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Somewhat I had looked in the pre-4. So this could be a ABC is a ABC is a B, 1, 2, 3. So if this is, yeah, what I thought here, it's somewhat, we will look, having a low is 1.2450. Yeah, here is a fourth wave and fifth wave could be like 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 or somewhat. I'm looking here, but I'm not sure about this. That is why I have already informed that. So there is a chances for making a one more Z wave to the lower side is also possible, and we can make it this as a downtrend channel also. Just have a look how it could possible. Yeah, perfect, right? So we can expect one more low also, WXYXZ. So let's wait for this pattern. Okay, so next we can move it for USD JPY, and last I informed I bought it here at 1350, right? And again it reached the same level of that same where I have entered. And what I thought here, it's an impulsive, and it went a deeper correction, right? I didn't expect this. I expect from here it will be a bounce. That is why I have marked here. So here also I'm expecting this is the third wave end, right? Or it could be wave 1. And if this could be the irregular flat formation, and I'm looking for this could be the wave 4 or this could be the wave 2 also in that C wave. So here what I'm expecting is a little bit consolidation here, but if it breaks the again this low, the previous low, it could be something again the deeper correction it is going on. So that means this could be the end of the third wave. That is damn sure about this. So what will happen here is if it breaks this and it will took all the stop loss, again it can bounce. Later onwards this will become the correction part and one more low, but not to break this. But if it breaks also, that is as a considered as an extended flat. If it bounces from here from without breaking this will be the considering as a running flat. If it breaks, then this may happen because this is an impulsive way, and if what we are looking for the correction. So definitely I'm looking for this bounce. If it breaks this, so I'm not going to make this as a three-way structure. So this is an impulsive, this is the correction, one more impulsive. So this could be the connecting wave for the downside. One more low is also possible, whether it is going to break this as an expanded flat, or without breaking this, again it can bounce also. So this is my view, and it is the perfect channel I have already drawn here. So, and it is also accepting this. So let's wait for this, because I'm expecting the gold to the downside, and it is exactly, it is in that 1844 what I expected, and it's already reached. And I have already the three possibilities I found, and I already shared in my trading view on all the websites, right? So if it is coming to the downside, then UJ must bounce. But if it is something, if the gold it's little bit bounce and it is not broken this low, and it can reach that 1860 also in the gold, so then it can bounce, because I am expecting that 1878 in that gold is my stop loss. So let's wait for this to confirm. So this is my view in UJ for this week, and we will move on to USD chef. Same thing, I already exactly I entered here, and it is already retested this the previous zone, right? So now also the same pattern is valid here. What, whether this is a W, this is the running this is a connecting wave, and again one more three-way structure can happen. Otherwise it could be a triangle, what I have explained. So this could be the W, this could be the X. So if it is a triangle, the X we have to move it here. Otherwise if it is breaks the high, and then again if it breaks down to the downside, is also we can make it as a running flat in X, and one more three-way structure is may happen. But everything I'm looking only for the possibilities for that bullish. But one more view is whether it is going to make a three-way, and this may happen. That I already informed, that again I'm repeating the same, because if this is not the connecting wave, so this impulsive wave, so this is the end of the connecting wave for this bearish trend. So we need one more bearish to the downside. So whether it is A or W, or this could be that B, or it's a W means here we have to X. So this is the A, B, and C could be the five-way structure. Or if it is A, this is the B, means 1, 2, again from here itself to make a five-way structure, and again one more fourth and fifth. So we need a five-way structure. So sorry, there's two possibilities, but anyway I'm looking only for the bullish to break this high. That is my view. There is no change here. And one more option, because why I'm damn sure about this, it has to break. See, this is all I'm expecting the possibility only according to this wave con, because this is a W, X, Y. So one flat correction is got completed, and this is the connecting wave of X, and again one A, B, and C. So this is the end of that Z wave. So after the Z wave, we don't have any idea. So one flat correction is got completed, means either in the five-way corrective structure here, we need to break this high. If it is not breaking the high also, it must to break this high. Because if we make it this as a W, so either it could be a somewhat, here is the end of the pattern. So if we look it in the weekly also, so this could be the A, this could be the B, C, D, E, and again without making to break this high, it could be a bigger triangle in the fourth way. You just go through my what I did in the Sunday last week, my positional target for the positional view for this to 2022. I already informed that, and I already uploaded that, but a lot of people it's not went to that, because it's only just 200 views, I think so. So see, these are all the educational series, and my positional view according to that view, I am just zoom in that weekly, first of all monthly, weekly, daily, then 4 hours. Later onwards we are getting enter in that 1 hour or 15 minutes also. That is why I am catching the even the falling knife, right? So how I got here, So it may be wrong, but even though what I got here exactly, see from here, right, from here it bounced nearly how much? From here 100 pips. What else you need, right? If you are a shorter term trader, but because I'm not going to show to trade the shorter term, I'm only looking for 300 to 400 pips in every trade. Otherwise I will hold the trade, and from here I'm holding, right, you know very well, from here I'm holding my position, and one more I added here. That's it. I didn't done anything. Look, let's have a look. And if it is coming, see, my style of trading is this one. Whether my style of, you can make it this as an investment also, but I'm not trading. I'm a positional view trader. In weekly or monthly, some lot of people are kidding me. I don't worry about that. For my uh, individual personality, I'm just doing like this kind of trade setups. Whether it suits you or not, I'm not going to worry about those things. So I'm explaining in my view. That's it, right? You can kidding me or whatever you can do. That is why I'm not allowing to comment in that my channels. No comments I needed, right? So let's move. This is the view I'm looking for. This is the A, this is the B and C. So this could be the connecting wave of X, and I'm looking for one more A, B, C, like this kind of A, B and C. It can happen whether it is going to break this one, or it can reject it from here itself. So once if it is getting rejected, after this I will book the profit, and I'm expecting if it breaks the high, if it breaks this high for the Y, it can be like this also. So then this will be the bigger A, B, C. So then this will become A. So this will become B. So this will move here. So we can see, that is why I told you, right, we need to look for the possibilities, and according to the possibilities we need to change our views according to the current price action. I will tell you the example for the New Zealand CAD. I will tell you that. So let's move on to what is next. We will see that watch list. So we finished UJ, UHF. Let's move on to the minor currency pairs. So AUD, JPY. Same. Nothing is a two. I am from last week, right? From here. From I'm expecting from here. Yes, January 5th. So for the 2 weeks, it's nearly only the correction. We expected, right? From here, we expected perfectly. It is working, right? What else you need? If you are making money, you can exit here. Wait for this. See how it looks like. You can do how it looks like. You can just draw a line. How it looks like. It's a wedge formation. So we need to count. So whether this is a B, C as a W, X, A, B, C, or it could be 1, 2, 3. So you have to do homework. Otherwise, this is a, this is a B, and C means we need a 5-way structure, but it is failed to make the 5-way structure. So how about what it is looking next view? So either you can make it this as A, B, C as a W, X. So this could be the Y, and again this could be the X, and again A. So we may do this as a again one more low. So that could be the Z wave. So this could be the connection wave got completed, and we can expect from here. We can expect, and we have to enter here. But after that we entered, we need to watch the wave formation. If it is very aggressively, or it is like this kind of overlapping, means again there will be the connecting wave and one more impulsive wave. So then this will become A, this will become B, and one more C. So these are all the correction part. It will took more time in the correction. Then only if you are looking, and if you are very patient and you are too good in the correction part, then only you can catch the impulsive wave. So let's move on to CAD JPY. No need to waste the time here. See, from here I expected, right, what it did, and it didn't break the high. So what we expected, it is doing. So this is the A, and what it looks like, maybe somewhat here it's 1 2 3 4 5 is got completed. So here's a ABC is a ABC is a B, somewhat here it's the correction is got completed, right? And what it did is looking like 1 2 3 4 and 5. So what is this? Somewhat 1 2 3 4 5, or this could be ABC is a ABC is a B, it's a W. So this could be a X, so this could be a, this could be the B, 1 2 3 4 5. See, if it bounces from here, we have to make it like that, but keep on graining to the lower side. Then what we did as a ABC is a as a W, then it will keep on changing. And then what I will tell 1 2 3 4 5. So this is a leading diagonal, so this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, and this is the another small wave 1, this is the smaller wave 2, and 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the 3, this is the 4 and 5. It will keep coming to the downside, then I have to label like that. If it did from here, if it is bounce, then this will consider as a correction part. So this impulsive, this is the correction, so this is the one more impulsive, so this whole thing becomes the correction part, and for this impulsive wave, this is the correction part and this is the impulsive. That's it, simple. But everything, if you are watching this video, it's very simple. But if you are analyzing the pair, it's very tough. So for this you need to practice. How you have to practice? Just you have to listen this chart. This is a 1 2 3 4 5. It's a complete perfect impulsive wave, and here also it's a perfect impulsive wave. And how it is looking here? It's looking like a correction part. So if it bounces like this, see, we are expecting, that's it, we are expecting. Simply you have to make this as a stop loss. You have to enter in sell side for this wave. That's it. So then ABC is got completed. Again you can expect this kind of impulsive, or again there will be a three-way structure, and again there will be a three-way structure. So that could be a triangle in the fourth way, and then one more way is a high. So in every AUD JPY or CAD JPY or USD JPY, I'm looking one more wave to the upper side. But I don't know, once the USD JPY it's reaching that 118.66, what is my positional target? We need to look for this. Unless if it is not breaking the high, there is a chances for making to the downside also. Once the USD JPY reach the 118 and plus also, it is not going to reach, means this will definitely be a downside also, the trend, because I don't know how the JPY pairs will going to happen in the different currencies like CAD JPY or Australian JPY or New Zealand JPY, CHF JPY. I don't know about that, but I'm looking for the USD JPY to reach about that 118.66. But as of now, but it's already achieved 116.2, right? So only the 200 points from the below 103, it's already achieved the 80% of my target. So what I did, 75% of my position are already closed at 116.17. I informed that in the last week also. And again, I bought only the 25% in my, because I won't trade again the 75%. If I'm too good also, I won't do that, because it's already, if it is something my view is getting invalid, then I may lose my profit. Like in USD, in US oil, it may be a different view. See, even though it is already broken the third way in the US oil, that we can consider as a still the fourth way, means it can again reach that 80 or $75. We can discuss about that, right? So we will move on to the New Zealand chart, and I will inform that, right? In the previous, I have told my view can change, because I'm not expecting this kind of wave structure here. What I did here is either it could be a triangle. I expected like that only. Either it could be a triangle, then it will consolidate, and then again it has to break this low. That was my previous idea. But what it is happening here, I thought from here also it may bounce, and it has already bounced, but again it failed to make this. And later onwards, what I informed that whether this wave could be that irregular flat for this impulsive wave. So again one more wave to the up high side. So this could be the A, this could be the B, and this could be the C, and later onwards one more A, B, C can happen like this, and this will become the correction part, and one more wave to break this low, right? So I thought like that, but now my view is getting changed because of the price action. But see what I'm saying, if it is get invalid, there is a one more possibilities is there in my positional view may change. Because see, somewhat I have explained that also in the last week, it looks like a wedge formation and it is 1 2 3 4 5, but I am not so satisfied with this wave here, and it is looking like one impulsive wave. It is not looking like a three-way structure. It is, for me it looks like A, B, C, D, E, and this is could be the 1 2 3 4 5. Somewhat here it's looking like a consolidation, or it could be a triangle, whatever it is, and it is bounced. So this could be, for me it's looking like 1 2 3 4 5. So like that I am looking for, but I am not sure about this wave pattern, because the same kind of wave pattern it is happening in the weekly also. That is why I confused, and my wave count may change. See, you have a look here in the 4-hour. I will show you the same wave in the weekly chart. This wave is confused me because it's looking like an impulsive wave, and later onwards 1 2 3 4 5, what I thought it could be something is a WXY, but it's clearly seen 1 2 3 4 5, and what I expected here is one more connecting wave, and it is already did. But even though this is, if we look it for Fibonacci retracement, it is in the 1618. But overall, if we look into that detailing for this A, the B, if it is irregular flat also, it is in that standing in the 1.414. It is not yet crossed that 1618. So from here also we can expect whether this is the A, this could be the WX, and this could be the three-way structure, or it could be the five-way structure. So this could be the connecting wave. So for this WXY, so this is the A, this is, will be the B, and C, and more looking for that. So that is what my analysis. But the market is a contrarian for our view, right? Always. So in that case, if the market, see, I'm always looking, and I will always presented what I'm thinking in the 80 to 90% of my view, but that remaining 20 and 10% may get invalid also. How that get invalid in the Euro New Zealand, right? From the 7 months I am having the only one plan. After that I changed my plan like that. So the same piece, this wavelength exactly happened here also. In that, this is a daily chart, so you just go through the weekly chart. It is perfectly what we saw in the 1 hour chart. It's a C, the same thing is already broken, and this wave is my confused part. So that is what I did as 1 2 3 4 5. Anyway, it is a leading diagonal, or if we make it this as a, this is as a B, and this could be the C, say W. So that is why A, B, C, and this could be the expanded flat. So this, the exactly everything I have explained here. So for this impulsive wave, this is the connecting part, and I'm looking for that impulsive wave to the downside, right? So it is such a thing I am expecting. But say if the market again, if it is breaks the high, so this impulsive wave, this is the correction part, means if it can, there is a lot of chances for making one more high. But how we have to label this, how we have to label this, that is my question. So for that also we can come to the conclusion. See, we can make it as anything in the Elliott waves. So the A, B, C, we can make it this as a W. So this could be the X, this could be the Y, again X, and this could be the Z wave. See, these are all that only for the references. My looking and my personal view is this could be that impulsive, this is the connecting wave for me. So how I playing this only, I'm looking for like this only. This is the pattern I'm looking for. But if it breaks the high and my valid is getting invalid means, so this is the one impulsive way, this is the, so that is not nice for me. I'm not going to do it like that. So we have to place a stop loss. Where we have to place the stop loss, I already informed that. So this is the invalidation point for my downside view. I'm not going, if it is going to again bounce, it will trigger the stop and again it can come to the downside also. This will become the expanded flat. So if even though I'm to keep this as an stop, this may happen also. So how we have to trade? But expecting this expanded flat, if we didn't place the stop loss, it may trigger and it may go like this also. So we have to place a stop loss. That's it. That's the thing, we need to protect our capital. So if it is running flat, we may get good risk reward, right? So these are the confusions here I placed. So you have to trade according to what I have explained. If you understand, then you can go for your look in your strategy and your view. So my view is little totally confused, but I am in the buy side. How many? Because see, why I'm, see what I said, we are in the downtrend, but why I already bought this, right? You have a question, right? See, this is the one A, this is the A, this is the A, and this is the things. See here, it's a something, it's looking like somewhat A B C, but here I'm not going to look for this. This is completely a 5-way structure. That is why I'm not going to for this as a 5-way structure means. So definitely this is the one A, this is the one B, and this is the C. So anyway, I'm looking for this kind of wave structure here, and I am in buy from 984, I think here 81, yeah, 8481. I'm from here, I'm in the buy side. So why I'm in the buy side means, I will tell you, this is a 1, this is a 2, so this is the 3, this is the 4, this is the 5, and later onwards this is the 1, this is the second, this is the whole thing is third, this is the fourth, and I'm looking for here, it's a, I got completed here. So I exactly I bought it here at 78481, but later on onwards in the 1 hour chart it did only the 3-way structure, and I know it is going to make one more low. So even though it breaks the low, I'm not so satisfied. So what I thought from here, okay, anyway we have to bounce, but after that also it is making the 3-way structure. Look at this, and what I did, again one more downside. So for me it is looking like bigger one, right? 1 2 3, so 4, and 1 2 3 4 5. It's looking like that, but I'm not so sure, but it's looking like wedge formation. It's looking like a wedge formation. Everything it is there. So one more low is also possible. So here I'm looking for the target nearly the 200 pips from here. So I bought at 8481. So I'm looking for the target 8772 here, around 8761. Right, nearly 300 pips is there, nearly 250. You can make it as 250. That's it. My target, if it is achieved, I will exit my position, but I won't short here because we need a gap between the buy and sell. I'm not that much of aggressive trader. So if we sell it here, as per my previous view, if it's sold here, what it will do, again it can go like this, and according to this trend line it can be like this, and one more low. So once I exited, this is the safest exited, I will exit my position, and we have to wait for this position, right? So let's move on to Euro New Zealand. It's nothing. I don't believe this, it's already broken this channel, but even though I'm not so satisfied, what I explained, that it has to break this high, then only I will look into this. Until that, if it is breaks also, I'm not sure about this. My bias is in the previous, I'm looking for to break this line, but now I'm looking this as a connecting wave. Somewhat here it has to do, and one more low, and 1.5 is my target, but I'm not going to buy or sell here. So that is the clear. If it is a clear picture, I'm going to explain, but not this pair. I'm not so conclusion. I'm not in a trade mood in this pair. So let's move on to watch the next. New Zealand CAD finished everything. Yeah, we can move for US 30. Once again, US 30, we can go it from here. Yeah, so all the stocks, right, in the all the stocks it's in the red, because some, I don't know about the fundamental, but we expected that, right? What I expected from here itself, it may bounce. And what I said, this is the 1 2 3 4 and 5, so we may get a deeper correction also. It's there, and it is doing here, it looks like a five-way structure. So even though if we took it this as a B, and the whole thing is a C also, 1 2 3 4 5 like that, if we conclude this as a wedge formation like that, a B C also, this is the bigger A B C, until if it breaks also, we can come to the conclusion, and it will took all the stop loss here, this will become a irregular flat in that expanded flat correction. So anyway, see, I will show you the one example here. So this is the basic structure, right? This is in the consolidation zone, right? Like this it is happening. The same pattern it is in the crude also. So crude is also doing the same thing. Beyond the fourth wave, bigger fourth wave. In that fifth wave, positionally that is the fifth wave, and inside beyond the fourth wave. So same thing, both the crude and stocks are moving in the together. So now I am looking here whether the fourth wave is already got completed, and beyond the fifth wave, if it breaks that also, it is not in the downtrend, I am not accepted that, but I am looking only for the fourth wave here. So if we did as a fourth wave, and one more high is also there for the fifth, 1 2, so this is the third, and I'm looking for the fourth wave will be a consolidation, and one more fifth to nearly 40,000 or 39,000, it is my target in the five-way structure. So this is my view, and if you go through the see, and one more pattern I will explain you here, one more pattern, the same pattern, it is keep going, right? I will show you the one pattern, it's keep going like such a pattern, right? And I'm not expecting this, it will do like this, I'm not expecting that. Why? See, in the previous, see, I may be wrong also, in my view may get wrong also, and you can laugh also, but I'm not going to worry about that, because my view is bullish, that's it, it depends upon my view, right? Here I will show you the one example in this here, what it did, 1 2 3, and it is consolidation, right? How many days from here, right? From here, nearly December 18th, and almost, right, 19th, it's a 1 year, and later on what it happened. So these are the same structure, it's looking like for me the same structure, it is keep doing this, and it may bounce here, later onwards it may drop, but we don't know whether it is going to be aggressive or little bit overlapping, and it could be because we are in that fourth, third, fourth and fifth wave. But sometimes in the Nifty I took this as a wave 1, wave 2, we are in the wave 3rd. So here you forget about this 3rd and 4th, you forget about that, you just go listen this every, see here also it is doing the same, and one more push up. See, we can expect, see from here also it is moving towards, and one drop, and then one again bounce, drop, again drop, bounce, drop, and what happened, it's a bullish. So like that, it is making higher high only, it is not making any lower low here. So if it did here also lower low also, this will consider as an irregular flat formation in my view. And see, in previous also I thought in the S&P 500, and I already showing that, and we can make it this as an S&P 500 also, right? See, previous I did, this could be the triangle. I thought like that is the third wave. So 1A, B and C. Here 1A, so B and C, and it is not yet broken the previous high, sorry, previous low. So this A, B, C. So I'm expected this one. See, expecting this, I didn't done anything, right? And this could be the happen, and I already did that. So if it is a triangle, so this fourth wave will be here and one more high is there. But before that also I did one more possible, sorry, yeah, here. If it did this, it from here itself it can bounce, right? It can bounce. So what is that fact? Is the ABC is a ABC B, ABC C. So this will be the irregular flat formation. There is chances. But what it did, what we expected, these two options, two possibilities, it's failed, and it did the regular flat correction. If we hide this, it's looking like 1 2, so 1 2 3 4 5 maybe happen. Otherwise this is a 1 2 3 4 5, it's already dead. And this is the A, this is the B, one more 5-way structure. It can do like this again, but I'm not looking for this because it's perfectly, it is in the equidistant channels what I place in this low. Now it is holding this as a support, and it is already broken little bit, but let's wait for this to confirm. So if it breaks this low only, my view is get invalid. So wait, previous what I said, it may not, or it may or may not, but I expected an aggressive bounce. So wait for this week to close. Still 5 trading days is there, so let's wait for this. But still it is falling the aggressively. In my view, it is not looking like a bearish. So wait for this to confirm. It is whether, and I have already shown this here, right? It is one push high needed, and then only it will be a drop I'm expecting. So it's a disclaimer, my view may get wrong also. So do according to your strategy, because why I'm looking for this is for the cause I will tell you. And in US oil, we can go for the US oil. We can come to the conclusion here, right? See, 1 2 3 4, and previous I already did whether it is going to break the high or not. If it is break, and again it is not going to reach this $91 and above, there is a lot of chances for making this kind of irregular flat in that fourth wave. One more high is also possible. That is why I have explained here. Or if it is from here itself, if it reached, so then we can come to the conclusion. So fourth wave is already dead, and we already break this level, and it is almost hit my target. But even though I'm expecting the fourth wave could align in this kind of formation as a triangle, or if it bounced from here, it could be a running flat, or it could be a triangle. So let's wait for this. But whether it is already ended here, the trend, but I'm not damn sure about this. I'm having looking only for this kind of price action. Maybe one more high is also possible. So I'm not now, and I already exited my position at 81.5 itself, because I entered here at 66.80, making this as a stop loss. I already reached the 1.2 risk reward, but I expected this, because why I exited here means it may be again one more drop also here. So that will be considered as a triangle maybe. So why we need to book the profits, right? 1:2 risk. What else you need? We are not exiting in the 1:1. We are exiting at 1:2. What else you need? So look for this pattern. That is why if it did like this, stocks also in the same pattern. Stocks also the 1 2 3. For example, Yeah, you can just go through this US 30. Same. One. So here I consider this as a 1 2, so 3 4 5, so we are on the bigger fourth way. But if 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and we are in the fourth way, so anyway we can labeling this, we can change. I already keep informing, right? Wave count is not that much important. The patterns we are expecting is entirely different. So wait for this. But even though if it is from here also everybody is telling, right, and we already informed that, and we already in the buy section, and it has to show exactly it did, right? So wait for that. We are on nearly 70 to 80%. We are what we prediction it's happening. So wait for our pattern to complete. Patience, right? So we will move on to what else you are studying. Yeah, Bitcoin we can finish. Yeah, it's here. BTC. Look at this. What we expected here, but expecting this, we are not in the buy side, right? We found one pattern, but the market it is doing the other pattern. If we are not understanding what we did, we didn't lose anything, right? We didn't earn anything, but we are not losing. That is the main thing. We are not making the profit also. We are not losing anything. If we are not losing anything, means we are in that good position. Not every trade we need to trade. Only if we understand, we can do the trade. So now what it is there, you can simply now you can tell, right? Simply we can label it now. So how? This is the A, this is the B, this is the C. So we can make it as a W. This is the connecting wave X. So this is the A, this is the B, and this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If we did this is ABC. So this is the connecting wave, the three-way structure. Everything we can now label. But what you did after the market, the structure, we can label it as anything. But what we have to predict, right? From here, I'm expecting bounce, but it broke this low, right? What is your view? Same view, nothing changed. This is not a bearish. This is the shorter term bearish. We are in that longer term. My view is only in the daily and weekly. So even though if it is breaks this low, this will consider as an A, ABC B, and ABC C. Somewhat it is doing in the correction only. So we did as this as a B or C, or it could be a three-way structure, or it could be a five-way structure. We can make it as anything. Later on, what this is looking like an one A B C three-way structure. So either it could be a, if it breaks the low, but I'm not biased on this side. If it bounced from here, ABC, ABC, so it is making somewhat the bigger correction. So wait for this. What I expected the last week, this may happen, but from here expecting this, we are not in the buy side. I already what I informed that you just go through my video. I informed that if it is comes this, what is our view? Downside. If it is reached here, you can exit, you can enter the trade for this target. But the target is already achieved, but we are not in the trade, but we are not losing anything. That is what I need to insist to you. My analysis is getting wrong. No worries. We are not in the trade, no worries, but we are not losing anything. So you may ask me, so how we have to make the profit? If it is not in this trade, we can making a lot of money in that other trades. If we need to enter the trade, we need a clear pattern, clear structure, and we have to understand that clearly. Then only we have to enter the trade. Until that, I won't do. Say for example, if you enter the trade in that cell from here, there is a chances, right, making to this. Yes. And if you sold here, making this as a stop loss, if you are selling here, expecting this, if it is goes like this, you may lose your money. But if it comes like this, it's a different pattern. But I already informed that, right? It's already broken the high, so this may consider as a three-way structure also. I informed that too. So ABC is a, it's a W. Now this is a connecting wave X. So this is the A. So the B is very small. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's already did. So we are in that W, X, Y. So whether it is going to X again Z, maybe. From here it can bounce, maybe. But what we have to do, expecting the bounce, we may be in buy side. That is not a problem. But expecting that Y way, and here, what is this zone? It's a demand zone. It's a support zone. No need to sell here. That is the only one thing you can keep it in your mind. No need to sell here. Maybe you can buy and you can buy it in average also, but I am not advise that. If you are not getting any clear picture, don't trade until looking for that confirmation, for more confirmation from your side in your view. So let's move on to US oil. We already finished. And copper, right? Copper. So what I expected from here, just you go through my video, just go through my previous video. This is the three-way structure, and inform this is also a three-way structure. After the five-way structure, I am expecting the bounce. What it did, perfectly it did. So now if it breaks the high, so then this will be A, this will be B and C. So this will be the whole thing is got completed, and again we are expecting to the downtrend. But what it is happening, if this is a, so the B can be A, B, C, D and one more wave E. But here it is looking like a five-way structure. Here it is looking like a five-way structure. So here what we can do is a question mark, right? It's looking like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, or it's a B, C is a B, C is a B, C. I'm not so sure about this. That is why I'm not counting any counts. As this copper is entirely, it's a very difficult to labeling here. But what is the structure says? And I already informed that, right? This is the impulsive way. If it's already broken the high, means definitely there is a one more high. It's already did, but even though what I'm expecting now, this is not clear as much that it's looking like a three-way structure. After this a five-way structure, and I expected that bounce, it's already did. So again one more high possible. So if it did like this, this is the correction, it's got completed, and again I'm looking for the downtrend. But what is the trend? It's a downtrend. You have to inform to your mind it's a downtrend, expecting this target. No need to be in buy side. So if it is bounce, if it is coming aggressively to the downside to here, it may be something else. We have to label it something else. That's it. So what we have to do again, we make the conclusion. So this is the A, this is the B and C. That's it. We need to make it like that. But here the C contains a five-way structure, but it is not happened here. And what we will do, this is a W, X, A, B, C. Yes. So what is the meaning of W here? So we have the A. So this is the B. So we need a C wave. So this is the A. Again, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. I'm not so sure. So if you see, the wave count is important for the five-way to and the three-way to structure to identify. But in copper, see, some pairs is a little bit difficult. How I did in the New Zealand cat, it looks like a five-way structure, and somewhat we have to make it this as a three-way structure also. So like that, if this is a B, C is a, so how we can make it this as a B? Here means the C is contains a five-way structure. We can conclude this as a five-way structure also. Again, it can break this high. It's broke this high, and again it immediately came to the downside. So here it's a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I took it this as a five-way structure. For this, we need, after the three-way structure, we need a five-way structure. It's a complete five-way structure. So in my view, see, I'm keep on confusing you. I'm explaining the possibilities. I'm explaining here the view count, right? The view, the strategy, what we are using. I'm explaining that. See, here we are not getting the five-way structure. So it's a complete five-way structure. It is a three-way structure. So 1, A, B and C is got completed, and the five-way structure we needed. So the 1 is completed. Later onwards, this could be the 2, so 3, 4 and 5. So it can go above the high also. So it can again reach the 4.7 also. Later onwards, how we have to measure this for the target? A, B. So 786. What I said? 4.7. It can happen. So, but the target is looking for the downtrend. So you have to exit your trade and you have to enter your trade according to this price action. So what is your stop loss? This stop loss is here, and not here. And I already explained that also, why I'm not placing the stop loss here. We have to place the stop loss here. So this is my view in copper. So what else? Yeah, crude I finished, copper also finished, just only in the gold and silver. So I will explain that silver, because I'm not doing the gold. It's a, we can keep this as for the last one. It's very interesting. That is what. See, gold is not moving that much. Silver is moved aggressively, right? And that day, silver was in very slow movement here, and gold was aggressive. So this what happening here. See, it is already broken this high, but gold is not yet broken the previous high here. But silver, it's already did here, not here. What I'm talking about, this one. See, in the gold, here it is not. Yeah, once again. Yeah, it's in November. Let's have a look here. Yeah, it's in November 17th. Okay, this is also the 7th. Okay, so here also it's a little bit confusion, right? Yeah, it's keep on graining here, and in the silver here it's very aggressive to the downside, but here it's a very aggressive to the upper side. So let's wait for this to make a five-way structure, or it could be a three-way structure, and not yet to break this high. Because if it breaks this high also, but this is looking like an impulsive wave, so then the count will change. And I already informed that we have to trade according to the gold, not according to the silver. But even though here it looks like in that 4-hour chart, A, B, so this could be the wave 1, this could be the wave 2, this could be the wave 3, and one more high is also possible. So I already placed that sell order here with the stop loss here. If it hit also, again what it will do, again it can touch here, and this whole thing becomes A, B, C, and one more down, because this could be A, B, C, this could be a W, but here it's a confusion taking place. This is an aggressive downside, and it is not yet broken this low. In IC market it is already broken the low, but here in that FXC, this one, the trading view, in XAG also it is not yet broken, and silver is also not yet broken the low. So here is, we have to make it this as an impulsive wave, means this could be the correction not to break this low, not to break this high. So I'm expecting, I'm making this as a stop loss. If it reached this 24.25, we need to be in sell side. I'm looking for the target nearly that here, around that $20 I'm expecting. So this one is A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the A, and we are in the B wave. So what are the B wave structure? It could be a triangle, maybe, right? So let's wait for this. And in the goal, it's clear picture, and I have explained that below. Look at this W, right? X. If we make it this as a X, see in the previous, that is why I have already lot of possibilities and I have explained here. I will explain here now detailing. If this is the A, okay, if this is the A, we can make it in the blue. That is a very this is the B, we can make it this as a red color because it's a correction. So one C wave, this is in the blue. So once again, it is in the blue. One ABC is got completed. If we mark it this as a X wave, if we mark it this as a X wave, so this is the connecting part, we can make it this as a pink color, right? Yeah, pink. Now this is the blue color, A. So this is the red color, this is the blue. One ABC is got completed, we can make it this as a ABC. So if we make it this WX ABC, so this could be the X wave. There is a high probability from here itself to the coming to the downside. So that is the one possibility what I explained here. So what is the next possibility? I will keep this as a here. So 1, 2, 3. So if it is that W, right, is a A. If this is the A, B, C, and this is the part is the connecting wave, and this is the A, this is the B. If C means 1, 2, 3, and expecting the 4 and 5. So this there is a chances for making a low here, right? So what is the next possibility? So this is also got over, right? So what else? The next, again, if it is coming to the downside, like in the three-way structure, right? This is also got over. From here, why I am expecting the bounce? So if this ABC is a B, and C or Y, this is the W, this is the X. This kind of three-way structure, can happen here. So this will become the connecting wave. So W, X, A, B, C, Y. So there is a chances for reaching this as a 1859, 1860, even the double top, but not to break this high. That's it. So these are the possibilities I have explained. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for watching. So we will see you in the next week. Will be the very interesting. I think it's a FOMC or Fed meeting, something is there. So trade carefully. So we will see you in the next week at the same time. Have a lovely weekend to everybody. Bye. See you.